hybrid or non-progressive installation of WPS Shadowline system. WPS system products deliver higher standards in selection, beauty and performance. WPS Interior Systems offers the broadest selection of interior, solid phenolic products, styles and colors, to achieve a full range of design options. No other company can match WPS Interior System portfolio of products. With all our interior systems, we offer freedom of choice to our customer to experiment with style, color and texture. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are: one 10-inch sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6x10 straight edge, one small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 8 inches vacuum suction cup for material handling, pear saw horse table. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that two people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge, because of reduced visibility when handling panel products. Take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. Begin installation by verifying the walls, corners, floor and ceiling are level and plumb. Install base edge trim SHA401. Fasten to steel or wooden studs, concrete, masonry or brick walls. Use shim as required. Install top edge trim FM600. Install vertical edge SHA401. Install inside corner trim SHA440. Install outside corner trim SHA431. Plan view. Vertical edge trim SHA101. SHA102 optional. SHA107 optional. Inside corner joint SHA140. Outside corner joint, SHA 131, SHA 130, SHA 132. Vertical edge trim, SHA 101. If the panel height is more than 36 inch, then install the mid-wall rail before panel installation. Install horizontal rail 623.1. Install vertical joint SHA 420. Make use of WPS template while installing mid-wall rail GEN 043. Notice that the panel comes with clearly designating panel number in one corner. Panel comes with panel clips attached at the back of the panel. Place the panel against the wall, so that the clips are above each respective trim, and set the panel into its joints. Door and window head details. Window bottom details. As this is non-progressive system, any panel can be installed and uninstalled. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our customer service department is available during business hours, and we are hands-on hybrid or non-progressive installation of WPS Shadowline system, glass panels. Products installation advisor is out standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any question, assist with any install, and provide us with support. Thank you for watching hybrid or non-progressive installation of WPS Shadowline system, glass panels, and hope we contribute to your benefit. Please visit us at our website and see more systems installation video and products.